Hi everyone, and welcome back to Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities at home with our toddlers. Before we go ahead and get started, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Also, leave down below a comment of any other activities you'd like to see a tutorial on, or a math problem you'd like to see a tutorial on as well. Put those down in the comments below. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. Today's activity is working with the letter R out of the alphabet, and specifically we're going to be making handprint roses. So with all that said, the materials that we are going to be needing are very simple. It's just going to be a white piece of paper, a black marker to write in R's for roses, and then green for the stems, or a green marker if you want to do paint or marker, and then red paint for your roses. Doesn't have to be red, whatever colors you like to do, and then obviously your toddler's hands. While you do the activity, you could talk about the sound of the letter R, what other words may start with the letter R, maybe do like a scavenger hunt with other things that start with the letter R around your house, all kinds of fun stuff. All right, so I don't really have a full tutorial as it is going to be all hands-on. So let's go ahead and just end it here with me and a little clip with my toddler doing the activity. As always, have a great day.
I'll climb up my set door. There's red and there's green.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yes.
Black and white makes gray for the elephant.
That's right, when we did the elephant project, huh?
Mom, what's this one?
We are going to be working with the letter R. What sound does R make? Good. And we're going to make roses.
Roses?
Yeah, it's a type of flower. So we're going to make red roses with our hands. Sound good?
Mama.
Yeah.
A flower. Mama.
Mm-hmm.
Mama, you put some dirt on that.
Mm-hmm.
And the plant will grow.
Yeah, you put some water on the dirt, on the seed, and then the plant grows into a big tree or flowers or a bush, whatever you want to make out of it, huh?
Mama.
Yeah.
I just want to make a caterpillar out of it.
Oh, caterpillar. We'll do that another time, okay?
Yeah.
Today's going to make roses for R.
Mama, earlier time we make the caterpillar.
Yeah, the last time we did make a caterpillar. We made those with our hands too, remember?
Mama, this time we making letter R.
Letter R.
Mama, we making the flower first.
Yes, we're going to make roses.
Mama.
Yeah.
We make a flower second, and the R goes first.
Oh, okay. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Okay. So, this is what you got to do.
But there's red and there's green.
Yeah, so we're going to do green second. We're going to do red first. So what I need you to do is just one hand, so just this hand. Get your whole hand red. So, yep, just like that.
Why not my thumb?
And your thumb. You can do your thumb too this time. The whole, good job. Lift it up. All right, and then you're going to place... Oh my goodness. All right, you're going to place it right here. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, drop. 1, 2, 3, lift. Woohoo! So we have one rose flower. Let's do a second one. You want to do one right here? 1, 2, 3, drop. 1, 2, 3, lift. Nice. Do you want to do one more just kind of in the middle?
Mama.
Right there?
Yeah.
Wait, do you need more paint? Are you good? We're good.
Mama,
You could do a little more, I'm sure. I think I did a little too much paint. Maybe we'll do a fun second project. I don't know. We got a lot of paint left over. All right, lift up. Whoa. All right, do it right here in the middle, okay? We'll make 3 flowers, 3 roses. 1, 2, 3, down. Hold. 1, 2, 3, lift up. Nice, dude.
And now we clean this off.
Now, you're right. Now we got to clean that off real quick. So that's that. Now, we need to have little stems for our roses. So that's where the green comes in.
Mama.
So what you do is just one finger, like this. We're going to do our finger.
I'll spread it.
Okay, you're going to spread it out.
Okay.
Okay, so one finger, just dip, like that. Your turn. Good. And then you're going to make one line going from the top of the rose to the bottom of the rose like that. Can you do this one right there? And straight down. Just one long line. Very good.
I gotta get some more.
Yeah, get a little more paint. Straight down. Very good. Can you do one more from this rose right here? Straight down. From top to bottom, straight line. Good
I
job.
gotta get some more.
So we're making our stems.
I just gotta get some more.
Yes. Straight down. Very good. And then lastly, so you take your finger one more time and dip it. So you have a little bit of finger. Perfect. And then we're going to make leaves. So all you're going to do is just go on the green. Right next to it, you're going to just go flip. And you have a leaf. Your turn. Next to the green. Yep. Make sure it attaches like that. There you go. Do one right there. There you go. We'll make it attach. So we're making leaves with our fingers. You want to make a couple more leaves?
Yeah, I got some more.
Oh, perfect. Okay,
Okay.
put it right on the green like that. So it's got to attach. Perfect. Oh, that's an interesting looking leaf.
No, I'll do it.
Okay. This one needs a leaf over here. Can you put a leaf over there? Good. Attach it. Perfect. And then one more on this rose. Can you do one more leaf? This could also be a really fun project for Mother's Day, birthday. Make it into a card for them. How pretty would that be? And then if you have more than one kid, you can do each kid's hand and then make different, add the ages and all that fun stuff. All right.
Look at that much.
Oh my goodness. One more right there. Perfect. Now, let's clean up our hand real quick. So now we gotta let this dry. To recap, what did we just make? Do you remember?
A flower.
We made a flower. What kind of flower did we make? We made
We make it letter R.
Yes, and what kind of flower is it?
A rose.
A rose. So we made roses, which is a type of flower. Now we gotta let it dry.
Look at that.
Yeah.